This is a good one to celebrate just the blood of Jesus shed for us. And it's called The Blood Will Never Lose Its Power. And I'm going to teach it to you in the key of C. And it's by Andrae Crouch. So in the key of C, before we get going, as always, click on the description of the video below. And I do have the chord sheet for you to be able to print out and follow along with me. So in the key of C, we have some main chords. In this song, they threw in a couple different chords that are not always in the key of C. I'm not going to get into that for you since we're just here to play, right? We want to simplify it. So in the key of C for this song, we have a C chord made up of C, E, G. Okay, then we have an F chord, F, A, C. And then we have an E, E, G sharp, B. Then we have an A minor, A, C, E. Then we have a D minor, D, F, A. And a G chord, G, B, D. Okay, typically on our channel, obviously we don't play super complex chords. And this is not hard. It just has more chords than it typically does in the key of C. So it kind of creates this sense of wonder, like, what the heck are these chords doing? Okay, so when our right hand is playing chords, left hand's just going to play single notes. Simple, right? So note C with a C chord. Then we're going to play F chord, F note. Okay, then we could do an E, and we're just going to open our thumb up here. Okay, E chord, remember it's a triangle over here. A minor to A in the bass. Then we have G, I'm just going through some of the verse chords. Okay, there's a G. And then D minor, all you'll do is open your thumb up here. D to D minor there. And that's it. So the rhythm that we're going to do for this is together, right, right. Together, right, right. Together, right, right, together, right, right. That fits with a 3/4 time signature, which is a lot of hymnals. So let's add some vocals to it in verse 1 and you'll see what I mean. Okay. The blood that Jesus, we're going to move to the F chord here, shed for, back to the C, me. Now we're going to move to that E chord. So we're going to open up our thumb here. Way back on Calvary is going to be A minor. Calvary, the blood, here's F chord, blood that gives me strength from C chord, day to A chord here, so don't let that mess you up here. Day, it will, D minor, never lose its power. Notice that I just kind of went lose its power. Or you could go lose its power. So you'll notice the C chord has the 2 beats and the G has the 3rd of the 3 beats, okay? So that last line could go, it will never lose its power, okay? All right, the chorus is pretty similar. It's just going to change the order in which we play the chords. And it reaches to the highest C chord here, mountain, together, right, right, it flows to the lowest valley. F chord coming up, the blood that gives me strength from day to A chord here. There we go. Day, it will, D minor, never. Same rhythm here where we're going to go 2 beats, then the 3rd on that G, okay? Lose its power. So that last line again is, it will never see G, C. Then verse 2 is just the same as verse 1, so it's very similar. So I'm going to play it beginning to end. I think you can follow along with me. Go back to the beginning if you need a little help. And if this is too much of a challenge, just find some other key of C songs, and they're sure to be easier than this one. But I believe in you. I think you can do this one. All right, let's go. The blood that Jesus shed for me, way back on Calvary, the blood that gives me strength from day to day, it will never lose its power, and it reaches to the highest mountain, and it flows to the lowest valley. The blood that gives me strength from day to day, it will never lose its power. It soothes my doubt and calms my fears, and it dries all my tears. The blood that gives me strength from day to day, it will never lose its power, for it reaches to the highest mountain, and it flows to the lowest valley. A blood that gives me strength from day to day, it will never lose its power. It will never lose its power. Valley, the blood that gives me strength